Hey guys, so we got the 82 Scirocco that Jason 5150 dropped off on Saturday for us, and we got it running. So we know it runs, sounds really good, and I'm gonna go through it. I'm gonna power wash the engine bay. It's a mess. You got the normal mice activity going on in here and whatnot. There's been a lot of parts replaced on it, so that's good. But we're gonna go over some stuff. It does seem like, I think it's some bad gas in it. Has a little after it gets warmed up, little stumble, but other than that, it's a really decent car. And I think when that's all done and whatnot, we have these old fenders. The sketchy trailer you guys might have seen on some of Jason's videos. Got double here. We're thinking about wide body, maybe wide, like big slicks in the front. Put something like this here. Look at this. Would you mess with a Scirocco that look like that? Come on. That's nice. So that might happen. Let's clean her up. Be a little careful with this. This is, you don't even want to breathe around this, and now we're using air. These things are always broken. This thing is mint, this rain tray. I think that's going to do it for the blowing. Check the battery. We're going to start this thing up, get it warm before I spray the engine bay down with some, I like to use like an oven cleaner kind of stuff, because it shine. This thing is going to be mint when you see it when it's done. So, yeah. Start her up. You didn't hear anything. There's some dollar store oven cleaner. This stuff works wonders. I love using this. I need to go buy a case of 20. And now engine's warm. I'm gonna spray the whole engine down. I've used this on a few cars and it comes out cherry. And it smells terrific. You can already see it. There it is. Let her sit for a few minutes. The power washer ready. Wash her off. Get the power washer out. Get her clean. Time out.
Right.
I gotta cover up the distributor. I don't want Jason getting all crazy. He's not a water cooled guy. You know, you just blow him out after, but he's nervous, so we're gonna bag that off. All right, so we're back at it. We got the the grocery bag because, like I said, we don't want anybody problems. I don't want to Anyway, so here we are. Time to finish power washing it. Wow, you see the front of that? To me, wow, I see DeLorean. Looking good. I think it's raining out. I feel some raindrops. Yeah, it's definitely raining. Luckily I got this done right before the rain. Yeah. Start it back up. I'll probably blow it off a little before. Start it up as I'm blowing it off, and we'll leave it at that. Alright, she's all cleaned up. Probably could be a little better here, but this doesn't even come off my fingers. I think someone sprayed some anti-rust stuff around here, the black, all around all the bolts. It's gonna be what this is. So I'm gonna start it up. I'm gonna blow the rest of the water off it. It's starting to rain, and we'll go from there. That's how it works with these old dogs. They squeal when they get wet. Turning off that water. Still running good. There it is, guys. Engine cleaned. Still runs great. Covered the distributor. I don't want people to get all weird about that. And running real good still. So next step, some of these hoses are kind of brittle. I'll probably change some of those. Plugs are replaced. Cap and rotor is replaced. Wires are replaced. What else we got? Been done. Found out this little guy over here in the fan's been replaced. So someone is working here. They just didn't finish it up, and they did a few things wrong, but it's good now. So we'll just keep at it. So for then, see you soon.